For the repair of the burner control box by Honeywell, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use two 20-volt AC power supply, a flame eye detector and a tester panel that includes 4 LEDs and 4 on-off switches. This is a simulation of the boiler's automatic operation. Switches are used to activate different functions, and LEDs respond accordingly, showing the system's current status. Each LED reflects a specific process, making the system easy to monitor and understand. We see that the LEDs corresponds accordingly the demands. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the burner control box by Honeywell is working successfully is ready to be delivered to the client.